Propane service call. Last time I was here, they had no propane. So.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm good. More water heater problems?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the propane went out. And then I had to relight the pyrolite, and then the hot water never came back on.
Oh, okay, but you're sure you have propane?
Yeah.
Like they just filled it, or?
Yeah. They filled it yesterday.
So we're good on. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're good on propane.
Yeah, that's why we went to relight it last night, and
Yeah.
and the water didn't come back on. The gas is on in the house, but no hot water.
Okay. I think last time I was here, I worked on it for a long time, and you guys were out of propane. It's like the first thing I'm going after right now. I don't believe anybody.
Yeah, I hear you, but we have propane.
Okay, I got you. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, let me know if you need anything.
Okay, I think I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Jesus. What the hell? What the hell? There we go. Okay, so we got propane. I think I had it off. Lots of propane. All right, we got lots of propane. Probably just needed to purge it. So I'm performing the battery test here on the valve, but I have since learned that that battery test is not 100% accurate. You always want to do an ohm test too. I had a valve that passed the battery test. So you use a 9-volt battery, you apply it to the ground, you apply the positive to the pilot prong and then the main gas line prong, and you'll hear a click. That's supposed to mean that the valve is working, but I had a valve that passed that test but was out of ohm. So the test is garbage. Right, I'm hooking up a different propane valve here to see if it's related to the valve or not. It just seems like no propane really is coming out of the pilot side of the valve. I'm unable to smell it. I don't really feel a lot of pressure. I know propane is under twice as much pressure as natural gas, so it should really be pouring out of there, but it isn't. So I happen to have a propane valve in my truck. I rigged it to the propane. I connected it to the pilot tube and the spark wire, and I'm trying to see if I can get it going. But at this point, the problem appears to be in the pilot line. So that's part of the pilot assembly. That's the small aluminum tube that goes from the valve to the end of the burner assembly. And you light the pilot light. That's what gives the pilot light its gas. So that's really where the issue is at. It's clogged or something. And I'm just trying to do a series of diagnostics here to figure out what the hell's going on. All right, so I got the burner assembly pretty much rebuilt. I replaced the pilot line. There was some kind of blockage or something going on inside there. And now I'm just going to reinstall the burner assembly and test it out. Make sure that it's good to go. This particular propane water heater was very difficult to diagnose, but I believe we got it on this one.
Probably the first time that Josh Allen's held onto the football a little bit. Now they did have the extra offensive lineman in. And create what we call numbers, right? Create an advantage on that side of the line of scrimmage. So Anderson, a backup offensive lineman, almost getting more plays than some of the tight ends or wide receivers are in this game.
Propane sucks. So, insurance company clamped down on the property. That's kind of why I haven't been able to make videos. Just been busy dealing with that. Had to get rid of all my stuff out here. So now it's just a big open lot. And that really sucks for me, but we'll figure something out. Thanks for watching.